Hey everybody, my name is Taylor.
And I'm Jack, and welcome back to another Smokeshow Happy Hour.
So today we got a great drink coming up for you guys. We have the Candy Corn-Tini. Super simple, only 4 ingredients that you guys are going to need today.
Kind of sounded like you said quarantini.
Corn-Tini?
Like a throwback to 2020.
I don't need that. Man, I graduated high school in 2020, so I dealt with enough COVID.
Yeah, no. Candy corn, though, is not just for Halloween. It's a fall candy, and nobody can change my mind on that.
It was always there, even after Halloween time. Yeah. We always had like a pound of it left over. It didn't matter what time of year.
Exactly. So, even though Halloween at the time of this posting was last week, we're going to make this drink, and it's going to be delicious. So
it's going to look beautiful, too. All right. So just to start off, guys, we're going to put both of this into our mixer here. Add an ice cube. We're going to do 2 ounces of our vodka to 1.5 ounces of our pineapple juice.
And he's using our brand new Japanese style jiggers, which are very cool. They're black. They have markings all the way down to 1/8 of an ounce. So not too shamelessly plugged here, but they're really nice. So check them out. We'll put a link somewhere.
Right down there. It'll pop up top right of your screen right now.
Without the sound effect, it wouldn't have happened.
All right. So 2 ounces of your vodka thrown right in there. And then we're going to do 1.5 ounces in here.
Perfect.
We're going to give this a shake and come right back to you guys.
Sweet.
Ooh, that one came off. All right, so now we're ready to start pouring this one out. It's going to be the first step of getting our drink ready.
This is a fun one, too, because it is going to look a lot like candy corn, but also, if you want it to taste like candy corn, you can use whipped cream vodka instead, and it has a little bit more of that like fake sweet flavor that candy corn has.
And me personally, I like Pinnacle the best. I think that's great for whipped cream vodka.
For the flavored whipped cream. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So now we're going to take our Grenadine with a little pour top on there. That's going to make it easier just to put this straight to the bottom. Nice little slow pour so it drops all the way.
Nice. Yeah, the goal is that we get that nice little red on the bottom.
Might add a little more.
Yeah, you just need like 1/4 ounce. It's not really so much for flavor as it is presentation. But if you do too much, it's going to end up way too sweet. So, yeah, be careful.
So now we got that red, we got that middle layer. Now we're going to top it with some whipped cream.
Woo! Dude, that looks awesome.
That's beautiful. Come on.
Yeah.
All right, I feel like I need you to try this one first. I just worked on the presentation. It looks beautiful. I can't destroy the creation.
Anytime that I have a drink with foam or whipped cream, it just ends up all over my mustache. So I knew you were going to say that. That's why I'm laughing. All right, here we go.
It looks good on camera, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, so obviously, first sip, well, I'll let you try it. And I actually didn't get that much whipped cream.
Impressive,
a little applause sound. First sip, I thought it was going to be very vodka heavy. It's not.
It's definitely not.
Yeah.
It's great. You get the whipped cream immediately.
Yeah.
That Grenadine is kind of just like...
You have it all over your face.
The Grenadine just like sneaks in there a little bit, you know?
Yeah. And you can see
all
actually,
over my face.
Just after that first sip, it's already kind of combined a little bit. So I feel like if I were drinking this, presentation is awesome for sure, but I would probably give it a stir before actually drinking it.
Yeah. Just to kind of combine those flavors, makes it a little more even all the way through.
But even if you don't, fantastic.
Absolutely.
That's a great one. So, guys, that is our Candy Corn-Tini.
Candy Corn-Tini, yeah.
Candy Corn-Tini.
Quarantini.
Not Corn-Tini. Corn-Tini.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys do make this drink, make sure to go post it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, tag us, Smokeshow, Smoker. Yeah. We like to repost all of your guys' stuff. I love seeing it every single time. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, and if you're watching on YouTube, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or if you make the recipe, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, post it every week. We have a bunch of new stuff coming too, not just recipes, but other fun stuff.
Ooh, quick note. We fixed the audio issue, guys.
Yeah.
No more audio issues.
It's better.
Make sure to hit subscribe for more high quality videos coming out every week.
Yeah, hit subscribe for new videos every week. Cheers.